Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, December 7, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi Alex, good morning. How are you today?
Morning, David. I am good, but tired, need coffee.
Here you go, black coffee, strong one.
Thanks, perfect. You look busy already.
Yes, big sales calls today. What about you?
Project meeting soon, very full day.
Oh, did you catch the news this week? Crazy stuff?
Yes, which one? I check my phone every morning.
The immigration raids in Charlotte area.
Right. Washington Post said over 250 arrests.
Wow, 250 people, undocumented immigrants.
Yes. Big operation Trump team pushes hard.
Started November 15th. Border Patrol did it.
They clashed with protesters too.
That's wild. Affects business for sure.
How? Tell me more.
Less workers maybe. Factories need people.
True. Our projects use teams from everywhere.
Sales drop if no staff. Bad for clients.
Yes, raises questions on rules. Fair.
Not sure. Government says protect jobs.
But families hurt. Kids in schools here.
Yeah. Complicated. I know a guy in sales.
He worries about his team.
Yes, some from other countries. Good workers.
Projects slow down without them.
Clients call less. Money tight.
Economy feels it. Travel risks too.
Avoid some states now. Crazy.
Lawyers say be careful.
Pass the sugar. Thanks.
Sure. Hey, in other news, cheapflation.
What? Never heard that word.
Boston Globe wrote it. Packages get smaller.
Sneaky grocery store trick.
Prices stay same or go up a bit.
Oh no, shoppers pay more.
Yes, feel squeezed every week.
I buy snacks, smaller bags now.
Check milk or cereal next time. Companies save money that way.
We pay same, not fair at all.
Like office supplies, smaller packs here.
Budget tight, boss complains.
Projects cost more now.
Customers too, less money to spend.
Sales hard then? You feel it?
Yes, big time. They say wait next month.
Economics hit everyone. Watch prices.
Good tip, my coffee better here.
Huh, true, home prices up.
Toilet paper smaller too?
Probably everything shrinks. Funny, but not really.
Huh, company's smart, we lose.
Watch labels, read fine print.
Will do. One more news?
Yes, New York Times sues Pentagon.
Really? Why that?
New rules on reporting military news.
Restrictions. Boston Globe mentioned it.
Yes, hurts journalists' rights.
Free press important. Constitution says.
True, Pentagon wants control.
Bad, we need true info.
For work too, facts matter.
Projects need data, not secrets.
Sales without news, hard.
Imagine no market updates.
Chaos in office.
Transparency key for business.
Government oversteps maybe.
Lawsuit will show truth.
Hope they win it.
Me too. Coffee empty now.
Mine too. Good chat today.
Yes, see impacts everywhere.
World changes fast. Stay informed.
Right, time for work now.
Busy day ahead. Good luck sales.
Thanks, you two on projects.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, have a good day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.